Good afternoon, and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. Today I'll be sharing with you how pure maple syrup contains beneficial compounds. Just like honey, maple syrup is also a natural sweetener that can be added to your meals as a healthy option. The syrup is prepared from the sap of maple trees, such as sugar maple, black maple, or red maple trees. The trees are tapped, the sap is then collected and processed in order to evaporate water. About 95% of sap consists of water, and the remaining 5% contains minerals, antioxidants, sugars, and amino acids. Maple syrup offers various antioxidants and minerals, such as manganese, calcium, and zinc. The use of maple syrup in moderate amounts helps to lower inflammation, maintains blood sugar, and provides various nutrients. In comparison to honey, it contains a lower content of calories and higher content of minerals. It supports heart health and enhances the immune system. Canada is the country which supplies 80% of maple syrup to the world. In a 2010 study, a researcher found more than 20 compounds in maple syrup from Canada that have been linked to human health, 13 of which are newly discovered in maple syrup. In addition, 8 of the compounds have been found in the maple family for the first time. Researchers at a symposium also revealed the discovery of 2 key compounds found in maple syrup that contain antioxidant properties. This increased the count of beneficial phytonutrients in maple up to 65. In 2011, a polyphenolic molecule was found to exhibit significant positive effects against inflammation. Native populations in Canada have used maple syrup for hundreds of years to help combat infection. Scientists also found that some of its health benefits are associated with a complex carbohydrate called inulin, which is a natural fiber that works as a prebiotic. It promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which supports the function of the immune system. Since maple syrup is beneficial to the gut, and a healthy and balanced gut is important to the immune system, maple syrup is also beneficial to the immune system. Pure maple syrup is rich in polyphenols, which helps protect against chronic inflammation. When the immune system is healthy, it can help the body fight against chronic inflammation, which is the cause of a lot of health conditions. Scientists at McGill University have also revealed that maple syrup can substantially enhance the antimicrobial effect of antibiotics, reducing their use. In the study, antibiotics were administered together with maple syrup, and results showed that up to 90% less antibiotics could be used with the same healing effects. These findings support the use of maple syrup in combating against viruses and superbugs. Besides using it on pancakes and waffles, maple syrup can also be used as a sweetener for coffee, tea, homemade sodas, and homemade lemonades. Maple syrup also works great when added to roasted autumn vegetables, such as acorn or butternut squash, breakfast oatmeal or hot cereal, frozen organic berries, roasted turkey, salmon, and soups. It can also be used as an alternative for honey in salad dressings. In addition, maple syrup can be used as a replacement for granulated sugar in baking. When it comes to buying maple syrup, make sure that it is pure and organic by checking the product label. Ensure that the syrup is an artisan product and not a blended one. When storing maple syrup, it should be kept in the refrigerator or freezer once it has been opened, and always keep it as cold as possible. Keep it tightly sealed so that it can last for months. Proper storage of maple syrup is important to avoid molds. Thank you so much for watching. Good day and good health.